The communication accommodation theory, developed by Howard Guides, explained how people adjust their communication style when interacting with others. There are two main strategies. Converged. This when adjust our speech to sound more like the person we are talking to. It helps build rapport, show respect, and seek social approval. Divergent. This when we emphasize our difference in speech to highlight our identity or create distance for others. Several factors influence the adjustment. Social identity. We adapt language to align with the group we identify with. Power dynamic. We adjust speed to show respect to someone with high life status. Culture norm. The different cultures have the different expression in communication. Example, I'm working learning local expression to the fit in. A tourist using samples local process. Changing between formal and informal tones based on consent. In conclusion, it can show that language adaptation is key to social acceptance, building relations, and expressing identity.